Ditch the drab and boring lists today. We're transforming your Adobe Illustrator text with incredible bullet point styles. Okay, let's dive in. First, select your text with the Type tool. That's the big T icon. Make sure the text you want to bullet is highlighted. If you have multiple paragraphs, Illustrator will treat each one as a separate bullet point. Next, let's add the actual bullets. Navigate to the Type menu at the top of your screen, or open the Character panel and click on Bullets. You'll be presented with the default round bullet. Click the bullet button and boom, instant bullets. Nice, right? But let's spice things up visually. Select all the text again. We'll head to the Character panel and start playing with the formatting. Need a different font? Change it. Want bigger bullets? Adjust the font size to change the color of your bullets. Select your text and choose a color from the Fill option in the Properties panel or Swatches panel. Now, for some secret weapons. Sometimes the default bullets just won't do. Change the bullet character. Locate the Glyphs panel by clicking Window and clicking Type, then Glyphs. Now you can select special characters like different shapes for bullet points, or even icons. Just double-click the desired glyph to insert it into your list. Finally, adjust the indentation for a polished look. Go to the Paragraph panel or Properties panel. Use the right align to add more spacing for your bullets, and that's it. With these easy tweaks, you're now armed with the skills to create eye-catching bulleted lists. Go forth and make your content shine.